Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so thrilled you are here today because we are talking about a kitchen legend that will transform your cooking game, the Vitamix 5200 blender. If you are fed up with blenders that struggle with ice or leave chunky smoothies, this powerhouse is your answer for silky blends, hot soups, and even nut butters. Picture tossing in frozen berries and greens, hitting a dial, and getting a perfectly smooth drink in seconds, all from one machine. No more weak motors or grainy textures. This pro-grade blender makes every recipe a breeze. Stick around because by the end, you will see why the Vitamix 5200 is a must for any home chef. And hey, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost and score the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us dive into the features of this blending beast. The Vitamix 5200 is a countertop blender with a 64-ounce BPA-free container, perfect for family-sized batches. Its 2-horsepower motor, about 1500 watts, spins a 4-inch stainless steel blade at 37,000 RPM, crushing ice and tough ingredients in seconds. It has a variable speed dial with 10 settings for precise control, from gentle mixing to high-speed pureeing, plus a pulse switch for quick bursts. The container has a low-profile design for easy storage, a vented lid with a removable plug for adding ingredients or using the included tamper to push food down. It is built for hot and cold blending, handling soups up to 170 degrees without cracking. The base is sturdy, 10.9 inches wide, 20.5 inches tall, weighs 10.5 pounds, and has a 7-foot cord. All parts are BPA-free, the blade is laser cut, and cleanup is simple, just blend water and soap. It comes with a 7-year warranty and a recipe book. Price is around $400, a premium investment for top-tier performance. Now, real talk, pros and cons after blending smoothies, soups, and more. Pros first. Number 1, the 2-horsepower motor obliterates anything from kale to nuts for smooth results. Number 2, variable speed dial gives you total control for any texture. Number 3, the 64-ounce container handles large batches for families. Number 4, hot soup blending without a stove is a game changer. Number 5, the self-cleaning feature saves time. Number 6, 7-year warranty ensures durability. Overall, it is a reliable workhorse for serious cooks. Now, cons, because balance is key. 1, the $400 price is steep for casual users. 2, it is loud at 85 decibels on high. 3, the container is plastic, not glass. 4, it is tall, needing counter space. 5, no preset programs like newer models. 6, not ideal for small single servings. Here's the truth, the pros make it a winner for most. If you blend daily or cook for groups and want unmatched power, this is perfect. Not for tiny kitchens or occasional use, but for versatile blending, it is a yes. My recommendation, snag the Vitamix 5200 blender today. It elevates your recipes with pro results. Click the referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your kitchen will love it. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews and click the link to support us. What is your first blend? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, you rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.